So welcome guys to another video, and for today's video I've got this Boya microphone. I use this microphone, and in this video I'm gonna give you the review of this microphone. Audio samples are included, so stay tuned and let's get started without further delay. So this microphone comes with a pouch, so let's open it. That's the clip by which you can attach the microphone to your shirt or anything while shooting pranks or something like that. And that's 6mm jack, I think, for amplifiers or some things like that. And there's a silica gel, that's, you forget it. So that's the real thing, guys. That's the real microphones. As you can see, that's the microphone. So let's attach the wind reduction to it. So as you can see, there are two modes here. One's type of camera mode and the other is smartphone mode. Meaning you can connect this microphone to your smartphone as well as your DSLR camera. So we're gonna connect it to the smartphone and then my laptop and then my DSLR camera, and we're gonna include the sound samples and how they are. So let's get the sound samples.
So guys, this is an audio test when I connect this Boya microphone to my DSLR cam. Yeah, so that's it. So this is an audio test when I connect this Boya microphone directly into my smartphone, so you can hear the voice. Yeah, so this is an audio test. This is a sound you got when you connect your microphone directly into your computer or laptop. So yeah.
So guys, as you've heard the sound samples, and they're good. I mean, I got this mic in like the range of $20. So you can expect pretty much that much noise. I mean, where I live, if I go for a shotgun microphone, it would cost me like $150. I mean $150. So that's a pretty much, and I only got this in $20 price. So you can compare the prices and the sound results. So they're doing pretty good. I mean, I can shoot pranks with it. If you have seen the pranks on my channel and social experiments, so I've recorded the sound with this microphone and they're cool. I mean, if you wanna see what I will say about this microphone, if you have a price, I mean, if you have $20 and you wanna buy a microphone, buy this one. This is not a waste of money. This is a very great microphone, so buy it. And that's it for today's video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. That's the first thing I've bought. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because I need the subscribers very well, and peace out.
I want you guys to get along. And I wish you'd see me try and have some advice. Yeah, I wish Bob Marley would still be alive.